Today is Sunday, 15th of March. We just arrived in Rio. It was a very long flight. We flew from Cayman to Houston and from Houston to Rio. Total travel of, what was it, 19 hours? Yeah, 18, 19 hours. We just checked in our hotel and now we're going to grab some lunch because we are
Starving.
We are starving, that's true, but we are also doing a bike tour in an hour and a half. So I'm really curious to see how that will be. Dennis also looking forward to the bike tour. But we're also quite tired. Oh, Menno is not tired. Maybe we need some drinks. I want to show you guys the view. This is my favorite view. And there's the beach. Thank you. You happy? Prost. Cheers. Strong? Menno, are you excited for the bike tour?
Yes.
Me too. It's so warm.
Because Copacabana, if you don't know, it's originally like a retired neighborhood. Here we have it like. Let's go.
Yes.
And this is another local street.
Today is the 16th of March, I think. Let me see. Yes. And I'm getting ready because we're grabbing breakfast soon. So, yesterday we had our bike tour, of course, and it was nice. It was very hot, but it was a good bike tour. The only thing was after 2 hours of biking, I was a bit tired. And then after we went for, oh no, Menno, I'm going to tell them the cab story.
What?
The cab story. Do you want to tell it? After our bike tour, we went to our hotel. We ordered a cab and we drove to our hotel. But while we were driving, there was a protest because apparently there was a dog killed here. 2 kids, I don't know, kids killed a dog. But while we were driving, our cab driver, those people were on the road and we were driving, and our cab driver hit 3 of those people. And we were in the cab. It was our first day in Rio and we already were in an accident. It was insane. And instead of, the police was right there already. And instead of getting mad at our cab driver, he got mad at the people protesting. And they were carrying this woman because our cab driver drove on her foot. People were carrying her and she was screaming and oh, it was crazy. And after that incident, we went to our hotel And then we went to our hotel room real fast and upstairs, because upstairs there's a beautiful. We were in the Hilton hotel, and upstairs is a beautiful view of the city and sunset, and pool and bar for drinks. So we got a few drinks there, and we met two really nice Dutch people, which was really fun. And then Menno and I were a bit tired, but we got dressed and went to what was it? Japanese restaurant. We had some sushi, gyoza. Yeah. And today we're getting ready for breakfast. And then we're going on a food tour. They are going to show us 5 to 7 restaurants, and you get a drink and you get some food. And yeah, you meet all these nice places, hopefully. But after that, we want to do some shopping, because we're here in Rio and we can't shop in the Cayman Islands. So this is our only opportunity to shop, because yeah, you can't go to Zara in the Amazon, apparently. Spray. I'm almost ready, Menno. Menno calls me Mickey Mouse. Minnie Mouse. Cute.
A lot of people are here somewhere.
Yeah, but it was carnival as well. Yeah. Oh, I like it so much. It feels so healthy as well.
Yeah, it's so refreshing.
Yeah, we also have it a lot in the Cayman Islands. So maybe I should drink it more. Shopping. It's been a long time since I was in a shop like that. My new clothes from Zara. I always go to Zara. I like Zara. Normally Menno also buy things from Zara, but no, he didn't. I like this skirt, but Menno thinks it's for children. Okay, so our next goal is to find like zip pants because we're going to the Amazon next week and we need protection. I don't think we're going to find a zip pants here. And I also bought like an Adidas jogging pants. And like when I grew up, they were very popular. And now they're back again, of course. Look at it now. Take it out. Okay, we're going to an Italian restaurant named Joaquin. I think you pronounce it like that, I am not sure. But we can't make a reservation, so we're just gonna walk there and check if there is a spot. Let's see here. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, bon appetit. Het ziet er heel lekker uit. Ready for breakfast. Oh. the city and the mountains. Helicopter. Hola. We're now going to have lunch at the restaurant over there, but you can only go there with a boat, so that's fun. Oh yeah. Yeah. Like on the holidays like this, when I watch Menno now calling his mom, I'm so happy and so grateful. It's like this happiness moment you sometimes have, right? Just very lucky and happy.
Ja, ik heb een pak jou erin gegooid en
So,
die hadden we daar wel kunnen kopen.
wow, I'm such a bad vlogger sometimes. Also, we're like drinking this. It's, Menno, what is it called?
Caipirinha.
It's called Caipirinha. Caipirinha? Caipirinha? Am I pronouncing Menno? Caipirinha?
Caipirinha.
It's called a Caipirinha. And I think in the Netherlands or maybe in Cayman, they also add water. Like sparkling water to it. Here they don't.
Ja, maar kijk
so
de video maar even. Je moet even kijken. Het is heel mooi.
this is what I drink so far, and honestly I'm kind of tipsy already.
Maar waar heb je dit
But it's
gegeten?
pure alcohol. there's no like soda or anything in it. So yeah. Tomorrow we're going to the airport because we're flying to the waterfalls. Menno, what is the name van the waterfalls?
Oké, doei.
I have to look it up the whole
Wel nog
time.
even.
We're flying to Iguazu. That's the most beautiful waterfalls of Brazil, maybe of the world. I don't know, because this guy, he told us that it's like 3 times the Niagara Falls. So it's so massive and big. We're really excited for it. So we fly off to the Niagara. No, here, and they're like, wow, this is something. I'm just saying bullshit now. Yeah? Garlic. We like garlic. Yummy. Hi beautiful peeps! Thank you for watching my vlog, I really appreciate it. It's been a month since our trip to Brazil and I'm back in Cayman right now. Let me show you. Beautiful Cayman Islands. I vlogged the whole trip. We went to Pantanal, we went to Iguazu, we went to the Amazon, we did an eco tour. So if you want more tips for your trip to Brazil, keep watching my vlogs. I will post a new one soon and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. See ya!